So I got the Sears Craftsman all cleaned up. I had let this run a while the other day and it started revving up and down, still doing the same thing. So I'm thinking this carburetor, gas tank, fuel tank needs to be cleaned, but boy, it really looks nice. I'm going to start this up and show you. Took the bag off of it, but I think maybe it's got a little gook in the carburetor here. After it's sitting and I put new gas in it. Here we go. It's being hard to start now too. It's got gas in it. Check the carburetor. First, replace the spark plug.